This is so cool. Slime rider, slime that this can actually ride on. It comes with slime, a syringe, and you make a slime track. I'm gonna make a big track. The dog is fully rechargeable and charges in less than a few minutes. The button on, you let it ride. This is so cool. This is going to be the viral toy of Christmas. I just know it. I have never seen anything cooler than this. A toy that can actually ride on slime. And if you had like more slime, the track you could actually make on a countertop. So cool. If you want to check out Slime Rider for yourself, I'll link it down below.